IP67 rating?
Okay. See, you can see here it is mentioned as waterproof level. Okay?
Yes.
So, IP ratings are for electronics enclosures. Like example, you have this smartwatch, right?
Yes.
So this has a black enclosure,
Yes.
right? So this enclosure, okay, will have some ratings. So that is decided by whether it allows some water inside or not, or whether it blocks water. Because when you wear the smartwatch, right, suddenly when you're walking outside, there might be a rain, or there might be some splash of water that might be happening on the smartwatch. So smartwatch should work normally. There should not be any issues, right? So for this enclosure is made in such a way that it will not allow any drops of water or dust inside. So that is
IP.
mentioned by IP rating. Okay, IP is called ingress protection. Okay, so now if you see here, right, this is there, na? So what they do is, while testing this smartwatch, they drop in a distilled water
Okay.
up to a height of 1 meter, and then they'll keep it for half an hour.
Okay.
And remember that they don't operate the watch when it is in water. It will be in sleep mode. Sleep mode means it will be in low power. There won't be any display or anything coming up. So it will be idle inside the water.
Okay.
Okay, and it will be kept for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay.
And after 30 minutes, if you remove this watch, still it works. That is the IP67 rating that they're talking about. So you have to know those ratings. Actually, when you're buying electronics products, right, you need to know those ratings.
Okay.
Okay, so now if you see here, we have a bowl of water. Definitely it's not 1 meter high, we are just trying out, and we don't have distilled water. Distilled water, in water, you have different types.
Yes.
Normal, salted, see, different types. So we have distilled water. What is distilled water is, it is free of all chemicals. There won't be any chemicals.
Okay.
And if there are no chemicals, water doesn't conduct electricity. But this water can conduct electricity because it's not a pure distilled water. Okay. So now, generally this IP tests in labs are conducted using distilled water. But we don't have access to distilled water, right? So what we are doing is, we have just took a small bowl with whatever water that is, purified water that is available, and we are just trying to drop this. So this actually, you can see this, okay? You can just drop it, keep it inside, okay? So now we have dropped it inside.
Yes.
We will not keep it for half an hour because it's not distilled water, right? We are not sure how it is going to behave. But once you remove this watch after some time, definitely less than half an hour, it should work properly.
Okay.
Okay. So let us try. If okay, anyway, if there is some issue, right? If the enclosure is not proper, if there is some leakage of water or something, by
it's
now
not charging properly.
it would have got damaged by now,
Yes.
right? So now you can take out. You can take out. Just wash it completely. Wash it completely. You can see still the display is on. You can see still the display is on. See, this has a sleep mode feature. It automatically goes to sleep mode. You can see the display.
But
It's working properly, even though it is immersed in water. So that means, let us clean it. So yeah, we'll clean it later. So that means, if you wear this even in rain, or by mistake if you dip in water, this smartwatch is going to work. That's what we have tested here. You can see we have removed, we have cleaned. So you got a good watch, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So you know the ratings now, the IP ratings. Okay. Yeah. So we just did a small experiment with the kid to see
If the watch is working
or not after dipping
Putting
it into
in
water. Exactly. So it worked. You love the watch, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's my daddy watch.
Okay. Okay, thank you all. Hope you got a glimpse of what is IP67 and the simple test that we did here. Thank you all. Bye.
Bye. See you later.